Buffalo. No. No, actually we are in Niagara Falls, New York side. So we're gonna let you see the difference between the Canada side and the New York side, Niagara Falls. Okay? So tomorrow we'll let you see the Canada side, and this is New York side. There's no falls, it's only water. This is the New York side falls, Niagara Falls. You see like you see like 3 falls over there. 1, 2, 3. But if you are on the other side, you'll see the full view. So it's up to you if you want to go to the other side or New York side. But me, I'm going there tomorrow. Peace. Oh, hello guys. As I promised you before, we are now at the Canada side, Niagara Falls. You see the rainbow? Very nice. Before we were in the New York side falls. I think that's the view over there. It's
By
on
the
side
bridge.
only. So now you see the full view. Tonight it's going to be nice because there are lights over here. So, oh, the rainbow's gone. No more rainbow. Goodbye, rainbow. Hi, it's me again. This is our view in my room. So if you want to get this kind of view, you have to book. We're staying right now at Marriott Fallsview Hotel. So if you want to book this kind of room, all you have to do is make a reservation and tell them that you wanted a falls view area or window. So this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get those view, and tonight it's gonna be very nice. There's gonna be lights in it. Okay. Hello again, I'm here. This is the night view of the Niagara Falls. Yeah. You see it's different color.
Say goodbye.
Niagara at night.
Bye.
Niagara Falls at night. Woo! Woo! Happy birthday to